Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you about JavaScript array functions. So, the array functions were invented in 2016 with the ECMAScript 6 update. That's the update for JavaScript. Okay, so the array functions are literally a function, but just the syntax is shorter. It's with an arrow. Okay, let's first type a normal function. We type the function keyword, our function name, and let's put some empty brackets, some curly brackets for our code to live inside, and let's just console log hello. And let's call our function with a function name. Ta-da! We just wrote a normal function. Now let's try and write an arrow function. So, an arrow function basically lives inside a variable. So, we can use either let or const. And our arrow function's name is the name of the variable. So, let's do this. Let my first arrow function. That's the name of our arrow function. Equals. And now, what is the syntax? Empty brackets. Now, the main part. Here comes the arrow. Equals, greater than. And of course, the two curly brackets that our code is going to live inside. Let's console log hello from here. Hello. How do we call the arrow function? We call it by the name. My first arrow function. Call it with empty brackets. Ta-da! So now, where do the parameters go? Here in the normal brackets. But if you have one parameter, you don't need to put the brackets. You can just put param1. Let's just do this into a template string. Let's type our parameter here. Param1. And let's type here hello. And that's it guys. Arrow functions are so easy. Thank you for watching and happy coding.